Hello everyone. In this video, we will be diving into Selenium, an essential tool for automating web application testing. Selenium allows a tester to write scripts that simulate user interaction with the web applications and web browsers, helping ensure the software quality and functionality. Let's explore how a Selenium works and its benefit for software development teams. Now let's get started. So first of all, I am opening my Chrome and Google. I have searched here a Selenium IDE Chrome. And I have going with the first site and opens it and open it. It taking time. No, it's open. So here we can see the interface of Selenium IDE. Here we can see a discover extensions, themes, and Selenium IDE. And here is having us some capture images or screenshot, which is showing us Seleniums and Selenium IDE, etc. etc. So now we are going with the extensions. And here, when I first open these sites, there is having of add in Chrome, so you may go with this. Now it's showing like a this. Now I will going with this interface, and I have click in Selenium IDE. So it's open and it's showing us as welcome to Selenium IDE. Now shows us a version as 3.17.2, and it's asked us as what would you like to do. Now we have to record a new test in a new project, or open an existing project, create a new project, and close Selenium IDE. So we are going with the first option as record a new test in a new project. So I'll going with this, and please provide a name for your new project. No, we have to give us some name to that, and I have given it as a project. So I press with OK, and then yes, it gives set your project's base URL. Now, before you can start recording, you must specify the valid base URL for your project, and your test will start by navigating this to this URL. Now I will going with the hats example.com. So start recording. I have click here start recording, and it's opening a example domain. Yes, this domain is for use and illustrate the examples in documents. So just click on bigger and more information. Let's take time. Yes, it's open. So we can show here example domain, further readings, and we can go with the about. The about we can show here is having of domain names, number, resources, protocol assignments, etc. etc. So also we are going with now a Selenium ID interface, and here we have to click here a stop recording. Yes. So name your new test. So while we record, we have to give the name to that test, and I have give it as a hash taste. Okay. So okay. Now we can see here is a project which we creates as a project name and tests, and here's having command open set window size clicks or targets or values, etc. etc. So here is having a test we are doing while this time, and here having taste, and here we can see a three dots. I have click here. Yes, it gives us a four option as rename, duplicate, delete, or export. Now we have to export this text into the different languages. So we can see that as export. Select a language. There is having of many more languages. So I was going with the Java JUnit. So export. Yes, it's open my interface and downloads. You have saves here. So save. Yes, it gives us a taste. Whatever we taste in that, we can open it, and it's taking a time. Yes, yes. It's open, and here we can see the taste, whatever we have done until now in a Selenium automation tool for testing as open source is there. So we are concluding here. There is having of a Java JUnit, converting this test as exported in Java JUnit, as we can see here the import private and etc with this site example dot com and etc about whatever we have clicked here as more information about and whatever dimensions it gives us. And hey, here we can see what is executor and what is this. So it is nothing but a test in a Java and how it works with us and etc. Basically, a Selenium works by controlling the web browser programmatically. Test scripts written in languages like of Java, Python, or JavaScript interact with the Selenium web driver, and which then communicates with the browsers to simulate a user actions like clicking a button and entering the text and navigating through a web pages. This allows for automating a testing of web application across the different browsers and platforms, etc. So we have concluding here, and this is nothing but a Selenium automation tool. Thank you.